For today's video, I have a Dollar Tree haul. So I'm showing you all the new items. So this one I actually got from my most recent trip. There's 2 trips. This is really the only thing from my most recent trip. And I got this. It says, wash your hands and say your prayers, because Jesus and germs are everywhere. Favorite staple products. Also, this. It smells amazing. They have a disinfectant spray. And, you know, we're all worried about the germs these days. So, it has a great scent and also eliminates the germs. I got their felt from Crafter Square. Some of this purple felt, but I'm gonna try to change the color because they only had a limited amount of colors. Also got some foam, and I actually thought, when I saw these balls, I thought they could actually be good for Christmas time. I'm gonna make some fake apples for a challenge I'm working on, but I thought these would make nice snowballs if you wanted to fill a vase or something. Like, you know how they have vase filler? I feel like these would make very nice snowballs. I noticed in the last few weeks, I don't know how long they've been carrying these, but they sell the essential oils that you can put in your diffusers. I actually use essential oils on quite a few things. I put them in diffusers. I create like calming sprays and stuff for my dogs. I create cleaning. I put them sometimes when I'm mopping my floor, just as like an extra scent. It makes it boost the scent of whatever cleaning products you're using. In my multi-surface spray, eucalyptus, and lavender. Next, I have this sponge. I'm gonna use this for a project too. And a book that I'm actually just going to be using for a project as well. The other thing I got that was not only like fancy to me, it looked really fancy, but I also thought it would be really cool to use. So I'm gonna insert a little video of me using this, but because the other day I had the time of my life trying to blow out this tiki torch outside, and it gave me such a hard time and I could not do it. So I think something like this would come in really handy. A baking tin, pie pan. I don't know why mine has 2 stickers, but this is for a craft project. Goo Gone. This is one of my favorite Dollar Tree products because it lasts a long time. Even though this is a very small container of Goo Gone, it lasts. So you can remove all kinds of sticky, gummy messes with this. These are new, I came across. They are wipes for your screens. This is probably one of my favorite new cleaning tools, and also for DIY. If you're drilling through concrete or stone, it's very important to keep that cavity in the wall very clear of dust and debris. Otherwise, it'll make it very difficult for you to screw things into it, and it won't make your holes accurate. I love that. I use it all the time. This is everything that I got. I'm gonna share another Dollar Tree haul soon, but I can't wait to show you guys what I make with some of this stuff.